Hello friends, my name is Siddharth. I am here to tell you how to transfer files folders from one laptop to another laptop using your Wi-Fi connection without use of any third-party software. There are many ways to transfer files from one laptop to another laptop using various software, but I prefer this as it is most secured among all. Using software to do the same may be risky to your privacy. So let's get started. First, you have to connect your both laptop to the same mobile hotspot, which is your Wi-Fi router connection. For doing that, go to mobile hotspot setting. In this case, your both laptop may have same network name and password as of your Wi-Fi connection. But, but if it is not like that, do not worry. Edit the name and password setting of your mobile hotspot. Use the name of your Wi-Fi and password of your Wi-Fi connection in mobile hotspot bin. For that, click on Edit. Use your Wi-Fi name as a name and use your Wi-Fi password as a password. Click on Save. Now your first step is over as you bring your both laptop on same mobile hotspot level. Okay, so now begin with the second step. In second step, you have to disable Windows Firewall. For that, click on Network in search bar. Sorry, click on search bar and type network. Go to network status. Here is the option Windows Firewall. Click on it and disable firewall on your private network. For that, click here and click off. Click yes. Now your Windows Firewall is turned off on your private network. Keep your firewall open on domain network and public network. No need to close that there. Okay. Now second step is over. Now in third step, we have to click on network. Sorry, search bar again. Type network. Click on network status. Click on sharing options. Now in sharing option, you can see three tabs. First, click on private tab and switch on all the options. Turn on network discovery. Turn on automatic setup of network connected devices. Turn off on file and data sharing. Now first tab work is over. Now go to second tab. Click on turn on network discovery and turn on file and data sharing. Okay. Now go to third tab, all networks. Here you click on turn off password protected sharing. Okay. Save changes. Now third step is over. Now you have to repeat all these steps on your another laptop. Means the laptop you want to take files from that laptop or share files to that laptop. So repeat these steps on your second laptop. Okay. Now you have to choose which file you want to share. For this, click on this PC. I want to share this folder, Avast version latest. So right click on it, go to properties, click on sharing, click on share. Now click on drop down menu, select everyone and click on share. Done. Okay, now this folder is shared. I have already shared one folder which is on my another laptop using this method. So I want to show you how to open that folder. Remember, to repeat this process on your another laptop, so you can transfer file from one laptop to another laptop. Now let's see the folders which I have already shared from my another laptop. For that you have to click on network. Now my another laptop name is laptop, whatever it is. So click and double click on there and click on that folder. Here it is asking permission. Okay. So make sure your hotspot is already connected. My hotspot is connected here. Sorry guys, there is some technical issue with my Wi-Fi. So let me show you how I can access the folder shared on my another laptop. Click on network. This is my another laptop name. Click here, the folder which I already shared. So I will double click on it. See the file. I can copy it to this laptop, or from I can transfer it to another laptop. So we are done here. Let me know how you feel about this video in comment box. Okay, that's okay. Bye.